Hey everyone, welcome back into the Fairbanks City News. Mike Schultz with you once again. Back in the studio, not out at the ice park, but I'm sure the ice park is a hubbub of business right now as the sculptors are really working hard to get their sculpting done by Thursday night. Now, as far as our weather is concerned, well, it was looking like it was going to snow all day long, and finally it did this afternoon, but not a whole lot. We're looking at a little bit of light snow, but more to come. We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. Our photograph night, a lovely pink sky. This one's sent in by Lloyd and Danita Swinson. And again, as always, if you have a photograph, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Your almanac looks like this, 21 degrees. Currently, that is our high for the day. The low last night, 1 degree. Still a little light snow falling at the airport. Record high 46 in 1957, but 1 year earlier, it got down to 44 degrees below zero. So what a difference a year makes, right? Sunrise and sunset, about 10 hours and 28 minutes, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. On our satellite and radar, you can see this little wisp of clouds moving through. That's what's giving us our snow right now. And out to the west, we have another outer edge of another storm system that's going to be bringing even more heavy snow this weekend, it looks like right now. We're going to zoom in on the Fairbanks area and show you the snow that's falling right now. As you can see, it is just basically almost through the Fairbanks area, so it should be letting up even more as we speak throughout the evening, so no real accumulation expected. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, over southeast Alaska, a little rain falling at Ketchikan, also some rain at Juneau, 43 degrees at Ketchikan. Around the Anchorage Bowl, mainly partly cloudy skies there. Kodiak Island, also cloudy skies, 43. Along the Aleutian Chain, Cold Bay at 37. More sunshine up and down the west coast, 25 degrees at Nome. Not a bad day in Nome, 13, or I should say Barrow, 13 degrees there. And Fort Yukon at 9 degrees and sunshine. Lower 48 weather, look at the up and down the west coast. Things have really dried out nicely from the storms they had yesterday. They brought hail to the beaches there of Long Beach around Los Angeles. Denver, 25 degrees. Little rain falling around Dallas, 52 degrees there, which a few days ago was only like in the 20s. And elsewhere across the eastern half of the country of rain around the New Orleans area. Also raining in New York, and 34 degrees over the northeastern sections of the country. And it's all, once again, you can see the pink moving across the northeast, moving out across the Atlantic Ocean. It's all blue, which means warmer temperatures. And up and down the west coast, things are looking pretty good there too, for the most part, pretty dry. And as far as this system that's moving through right now, color codes, you can see pink indicating where the freezing precipitation is, and then greens and the different types of green indicating how heavy the rain is. And then, of course, this is the new mode they're going to now as far as weather maps go, to give you a better idea of the intensity of the different kinds of precipitation. Now, as far as the jet stream is concerned, once again, jet stream way up to the north, allowing a lot of warm temperatures across the deep south. Okay, back to Alaska for tomorrow. For the northern sections, blowing snow expected at Barrow, cloudy skies at Dome, and a little bit of light snow in the Fort Yukon area, 29 degrees at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at, for the most part, morning snow ending for Fairbanks and Healy, but still some lingering snow showers around the Delta Junction area. Over southeast Alaska, rain is in the forecast once again. A chance of rain for Juneau and just a slight chance for afternoon rain for the Ketchikan area. While out to the southwest, we'll be looking at a chance of rain for Cold Bay, scattered showers for Kodiak, and mixed rain and snow for Bethel. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, it looks like for the most part, cloudy skies for Anchorage, light snow at Homer, and isolated showers in Valdez. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather. And all this week, we're talking with the kids from Wood River Elementary School. Tonight, here's a young man with a nice picture.
And I drew this picture of a tornado because it is a story that happened a while ago where a tornado took some sand from the Sahara Desert and carried it all the way over to a rainforest, and the sand fertilized the ground.
That is some pretty interesting what happened there with that tornado moving that far, taking the Sahara Desert, helping to include in that tornado. Again, Mount McKinley Bank, thank you for their sponsoring our Kids Weather Watch. And tomorrow night, a young man will be here with an interesting weather question. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Cloudy skies, periods of light snow, maybe an inch by morning, 20 degrees for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast, snow in the morning, slowly ending by afternoon, 33 degrees. And here's our extended forecast. The 5-day period looking at temperatures cooling down over the weekend, 16, 15, even 10 by Monday. And also a pretty good chance of seeing some more snow moving into our area by the weekend. And like I said last night, right now all indications are it'll be something we'll definitely be probably shoveling or at least moving away with a little bit of effort, because we're looking at a little more accumulation.